you.
Josh, this is Lloyd. We are in the Shelby for 5 laps, correct?
5 laps.
Now you already see, and I promise you get used to, all of these mirrors are for me. Eyes forward, look where you want to go, but ears to me.
Yes, sir.
Now, Josh, during passing, I'm going to have my hand on the wheel.
Yep.
I'll turn the hazards on if we're being passed. We need to wait for theirs before we pass them.
Gotcha.
Out there, orange cone is braking, green cone is turning. Now, to keep things simple, focus on the greens. I'll call out your brakes. Make sure when I have you brake hard and firm in a straight line. No pump. Then I'm going to ask you to turn first and then release the brakes nice and slow. After that, you'll guide the car's weight and momentum through the corner with smooth throttle and smooth steering to keep the balance of the car. Now, once we see our corner exit, that's when you can start to gently build your speed. Specifically with this car, you really need to gently build that speed. You never ever want to lift your knee to brake. Just pivot. This way you're using the least amount of muscle. You know what I mean? Downshift, upshift. I will call every shift one at a time. This car, honestly, the easiest thing to do paddles with, third gear. That's really all it needs. There's some corners where you're going to think you're going to need second, but then again, this thing's so torquey, now you have to do this with the throttle. I got your back, you got my back?
Absolutely.
Put on the brakes.
Brake.
Proceed. You ever driven this car before?
No.
It's a good car.
And I heard it is a very great car.
This is the car that demands respect, though.
Yes.
You can drive normal for now.
Okay.
Go through the blues and stop at the last 2 on the far left. You see the nubs, though, on the left? Stop at the last nub.
Last nub?
Yeah, there was supposed to be a cone there, but the wind.
Yeah.
The wind said, no, not today.
Take them away.
All right, brake. Okay, 1 second. You ready?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead, stay on the right. Work your way to full throttle. Keep going, full throttle, full throttle. Back to the left, shifting too early.
Yep. Gotcha.
Brake, stay left, softer on the brakes. Turn, release. Back to the left, point it first. Now build that speed to the orange cone on the right side. There you go. Eyes up to the green. Brake. Release. Turn. Good job. A little bit of throttle. Feel that back end.
Yep.
All right, turn. And then always remind yourself, every single corner, enter wide.
Enter wide.
Yup. This way you don't have to work too hard. Stay left. Patience. Turn. Good. Stay far right. Now brake. Early left. Release. Straight right. Build speed. Straight left. More speed. And good. Back to the right. Keep going. Brakes. Downshift. Stay right. Turn. Release. Guide me to the green. Try the turn first before you release. And unwind while squeezing. There you go. All the way up. Use all the RPMs. Brakes. Downshift. Hold the brakes. Don't turn yet. Don't follow. Turn. Release. See how you're pointing better than him?
Yep.
Pass on the right.
On the right.
There you go. You got it, Josh. Squeeze that throttle. Eyes up to the green. Brakes. Hold it. Release. Green to green. And turn. Back to the left. A little bit of throttle. Stay left. Turn. There you go. Closer. You see how the third gear gives you room, right?
Yeah.
Back to the left. Look at that. The weight plays good with this car. Off the throttle. Turn. Back on just a tad. Now brake. Take it. Release. Oh, you got to take that left first. There's a decline you don't see.
Yep.
Go ahead. More throttle. Eyes back up right. Keep going. Keep going. Brakes. Downshift. Stay right. Turn. Release. See? Good. Good job. A little bit of throttle. And unwind. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Keep going, keep going. Upshift. There you go. Brakes. Downshift. Stay left. Turn. Release. Good job. That was 60 miles per hour. Oh, too early.
Yep, sorry.
I gotcha. It's okay. It's okay. Brake. Release. Whole lot of power, huh?
Yeah.
Turn. That torque is nice, though.
It is beautiful.
Stay left and turn. Don't look at the charger. All the way left, more throttle. Patience, turn. And remember, he's spraying water.
Gotcha. Yeah, I can feel
Brake,
it.
Turn, take it. Ooh, don't release
Sorry,
too
yeah,
early.
I'm
It's
off the
okay, it's
brakes.
okay. Go ahead, give me some throttle. You feel the weight though, right?
Yes.
All right, back to the right. Brakes, downshift. Softer on the brakes, softer, softer, softer. Turn, release. Good job, good target speed. A little bit of throttle. Unwind, squeeze. Good. Upshift. When you're unwinding, squeeze at the same rhythm.
Okay.
Upshift, like basically you're opening and closing. Brakes, downshift. Brake a little harder. Turn, release. Good target speed. There you go. But point it left first. Point it, and squeeze. Always point first. Brake, stay wide. Release, turn. Now that we're going faster, release your brakes slower. Stay left, turn. This way the tires won't do that.
Yep.
Left tires on the paint, eyes back up left, build speed when you get there. There you go. Stay left, off the throttle, turn, light throttle. Brake, hard, early left, release, do your thing. See that? Good combination, huh?
Yep.
Eyes up, don't look at the Porsche. Downshift. Release. Pass on the inside, double pass. Keep going, light throttle. Unwind, pass on the right. Upshift. There you go, double pass. Oh yeah. Woo. Upshift. You having fun?
Yeah, absolutely.
Brakes. A little harder. Downshift, hold it. Turn, release. Nice. Consistent. Point it first, point it first. Now build. There you go. Brake. Stay wide. Release. And turn. Stay left, stay left. Turn. Good job, Josh. Closer. Eyes back up, far left. Now work that speed. Keep going. Pass on the right. I want you to hug it, light throttle, okay?
Hug it like
Hug it. Yup. Now brake. Take it. Release. All right, go ahead. Do your thing. Brakes. I threw you an automatic. We're going to exit going straight. What you think? Good stuff, huh?
Oh, absolutely.
Bro, you passed everybody.
Woo.
I don't think we let anybody pass. You were doing 2 double passes. You did good. One thing I want you to keep working on. Remember, in any car, it doesn't matter what car, turn first, then release the brakes.
Gotcha.
This way, when you turn, it doesn't slow you down. But
Yeah.
this way, you have all 4 tires on the ground versus the car tilting
It's like,
sideways.
yeah, you
It's not
want to
even
use
sliding.
the weight of the vehicle
Exactly.
instead of letting it lift off.
Yes. Yeah, because if you turn and release, that's where you get the body roll.
Yep. Yeah, I could hear the tires.
Are you doing the drifting or any other cars today?
GT3 RS.
Nice.
Yeah, you're gonna like this one.
It's,
It's my dream car.
Yes, it is mine as well. Yeah, I got behind the drift car and the GT500. It got loose.
Yeah.
From where he was spraying water. I was like, oh boy.
Yep. All right, let's roll.
All right.
And brake. Wait for that green one. One downshift, off the brake, coast in. We want to miss those curbs, okay? Stay to the outside, aim for the green one. And brake, stay out wide. Just leave it in third, inside tight left, ease into the gas. A little different handling, huh?
Yes, this thing is tight.
Down to the left, green one on the left side. And all the way to your right side. Wait for the second green one, light brake, now we'll coast, tight left, no gas, just turn, now roll into the gas, straight through the middle, hard gas. Pass them on the left. Now we're gonna stay tight left, downshift once, inside tight. All the way to the inside, there you go. Let her rip, no hard gas. Hard brake, harder brake. Off the brake, coast. Roll into the gas, outside wide. Brake straight. Off the brake, inside tight. Not too much. Yeah, there you go. Tight to the right side. Feel those back tires working. Green left. Right side, stay right. Little brake, set it up. Now off the brake, just Stay left, one downshift, let it coast, turn in, we're gonna pass that van, hard gas right side. Brake, stay out wide. Now off the brake, look left, turn in, inside, roll into the gas. Off the gas, ease into it, down to the left. Off the gas, right side. Little brake here, coast, turn left. Back to the gas, we're going to pass them on the right side, hard gas, straight ahead. Hard brake, out wide. Off the brake, inside tight. Outside wide. Upshift. Hard brake. One downshift. Off the brake, turn in. Stay out wide. Off the brake, inside. Good balance, stay tight right. You don't want to lift. Inside, green one. Back to the right. Little brake. Coast, turn left, straight through. Roll back to the gas, straight ahead. Awesome. Now we'll downshift, go out wide. Inside tight left. Hard brake. Coast in. Brake. Off brake. Let her go. Inside. Right side. Little brake here. Now off the brake. Turn in. Straight through. Back to the gas. Hard gas. Straight ahead. And we're going to exit straight ahead. Right between the white poles, man.
Whew.
Nice, brother.
Wow, look, this car is. I didn't feel like I was driving it.
I know.
It,
See what I meant about don't lift?
yeah, it.
When you went through that corner, it was like I was like if you're that fast and you're hard on the gas and you got to come off, with those back tires turned and the front tires turned, it's like a forklift. It just wants to rotate that ass in on you. And these things snap so quick. You'd be like, oh, nothing's wrong. Nothing's.
Yeah,
The next thing you know, you're back looking at the other way.